Every feed formulation starts with a decision. How do you achieve the right balance between performance, cost, and consistency? Because today's feed manufacturers operate in a changing world. Raw material quality varies, availability changes, costs continue to increase, yet expectations remain the same: healthy animals, efficient production, reliable results. The answer isn't always using more ingredients. It's making better use of the nutrients already available. The right processing technology can significantly improve digestibility, nutrient availability, and feed efficiency, helping every formulation perform at its full potential. Cropenta offers a portfolio of specialized nutritional solutions for modern feed production, from toasted and extruded soybean products to rumen-protected proteins and advanced lipid technologies based on lecithin. Each solution is developed to improve nutrient utilization, optimize feed performance, and support animal health. No two customers are the same. Cropenta supports feed manufacturers with ingredients and nutritional technologies for dairy, calf nutrition, Piglet Nutrition, poultry, pet food, and Aquafeed, helping transform nutritional knowledge into practical feed solutions. Reliable nutrition starts with reliable partnerships. From production in the Netherlands to customers around the world, Cropenta delivers consistent quality and dependable supply. Together with our strategic partners, we combine technical expertise with innovative nutritional solutions, supporting our customers every step of the way. The future of feed is not defined by ingredients alone. It's defined by how effectively those ingredients perform. With specialized nutritional technologies, practical expertise, and reliable supply, Cropenta helps feed manufacturers unlock better feed performance. Cropenta, smart inputs, stronger results.